Good day everyone, this is Teacher Day presenting you Daylight English Hustle, your partner in the wonders of English wherever and wherever you are. To be updated with the next video lessons, do not forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell. For today's lesson, we are going to talk about the voices of verbs. Voices of verbs refer to the relationship of the verb to its subject. Let us recall some of the words that will surely help us as we tackle these voices of verbs. The first one is subject. Subject refers to the topic of the sentence. Verb. Verb refers to the action being done in the sentence. And lastly, object. Object refers to the receiver of the action in the sentence. There are two voices of verbs that we have to discuss. The first one is active voice. A sentence is said to be in active voice if the subject is the doer of the action. For example, Father will cook kare-kare tonight. In this sentence, Father is the one who is going to do the verb or the action cooking. The second one is passive voice. A sentence is said to be in passive voice if the subject is the receiver of the action. For example, kare-kare will be cooked by Father tonight. In this sentence, kare-kare is the subject, and kare-kare will be the one to receive the action of cooking by Father. Let us try to read and analyze the following sentences before we identify whether the sentences are in active or passive voice. The man is watering the plant. In this sentence, the word man is the subject, and the man in the sentence is the doer of the action. Therefore, this sentence is in active voice. Next, the plant is being watered by the man. In this sentence, the word plant is the subject. Plant is the receiver of the action watered. Therefore, this sentence is in passive voice. Third, a song is being sung by the lady. In this sentence, the word song is the subject. And we all know that the word song cannot be the doer of the action. It is the receiver of the verb sung. Therefore, this sentence is in passive voice. Lastly, the lady is singing a song. The subject that we have is the word lady. The lady is the one doing the action, which is singing. Therefore, this sentence is in active voice. Let us remember that not all sentences in passive voice have a by phrase. For example, the ball was thrown outside the garden. In this sentence, we have ball as a subject and it is the receiver of the action was thrown. However, the person who threw the ball was not specified or said in the sentence. Therefore, this sentence does not have a doer. Second, when changing active voice to passive voice, you have to use the object of the sentence as the subject and put by before the previous subject. For example, Jackson threw the ball outside the garden. The ball was thrown by Jackson outside the garden. Third, when changing passive voice to active voice, use the by phrase as the subject and put the previous subject after the verb. For example, the plant is being watered by Jamie. Jamie is watering the plant. Lastly, you have to remember that when changing passive voice without a doer to active voice, you have to add a doer to complete the sentence. For example, the ball was thrown outside the garden. Jackson threw the ball outside the garden. Let's try answering some exercises. Read and analyze the following sentences before identifying whether the sentences are in active or passive voice. 1. Mr. Sales took a day off. The subject of the sentence is Mr. Sales. Mr. Sales was the one who took the day off. Therefore, the subject is the doer of the action. This sentence is in active voice. Second, the office is being criticized for their lack of responsibility towards their employees. In this sentence, the subject is office. Office is the receiver of the criticisms, and the employees are the ones who criticize. Therefore, the word office is the receiver of the action. This sentence is in passive voice. Third, Alberto kept the seashell in his bag. The subject of this sentence is Alberto. He was the one who kept the seashell in his bag. Therefore, this sentence is in active voice. Fourth, Samantha kissed her mother on the cheek. Samantha is the subject of the sentence, and she is the doer of the verb kiss. Therefore, this sentence is in active voice. Lastly, Miss Guanlao was given a chance to prove herself to the board. In this case, the subject is Miss Guanlao. It is said that she is being given a chance to prove herself to the board. Therefore, she is the receiver of the verb. This sentence is in passive voice. Let us now transform the sentences to its opposite voice. An ice cream is being eaten by Rose. Since we are going to transform a passive voice into an active voice, we have to put the by phrase in the first part of the sentence and put the former subject of the sentence after the verb. The active voice of this sentence should be Rose is eating an ice cream. Second, the plants were watered by Mark. Again, this sentence is in passive voice and we are going to turn it into active voice. Like what we did in the first sentence, we have to put the by phrase, the passive voice, to the first part of the sentence and put the former subject after the verb. The active voice of this sentence should be Mark watered the plants. Lastly, Jessica kneaded the dough. This sentence is in active voice and we have to transform it into passive voice. Changing active to passive voice, we have to put the subject in a by phrase and use the object after the verb as the subject. The passive voice of this sentence should be The dough was kneaded by Jessica. It is now your time to answer alone. You have to identify whether the sentences are in active or passive voice. You will be given 10 seconds to answer each item. Let us check your answers. Number 1. Harry ate 6 shrimps. In this sentence, Harry is the subject and he was the one who ate the shrimps. The subject is the doer of the sentence. Therefore, this is an active voice. Number 2. Pedro and Nina made a hut. In this sentence, Pedro and Nina are the subjects. The subjects in this sentence are the doers of the action. Therefore, this is an active voice. Number 3. Water was boiled in the kettle. In this sentence, water is the subject and it is the one being boiled in the kettle. Therefore, water is the receiver of the verb. This sentence is in passive voice. Number 4. Nana is making fruit salad. Nana is the subject in the sentence. Nana is the one who is making the fruit salad. Therefore, this sentence is in active voice. Number 5. Money was withdrawn from the ATM. Money is the subject of the sentence. It is the one being withdrawn from the ATM. Money is the receiver of the action. Therefore, this sentence is in passive voice. Number 6. JB sang a song. JB is the subject of the sentence. JB was the one who sang the song. JB is the doer of the action. Therefore, this sentence is in active voice. Number 7. Ropes were tied around the hot air balloon. In this sentence, the subject is ropes. Ropes were the ones tied around the hot air balloon. Therefore, it is the receiver of the verb. This sentence is in passive voice. Number 8. The peaches were peeled by Kevin. Peaches is the subject of the sentence. The one who did the action was Kevin, and the word that received the action is the peaches. Therefore, this sentence is in passive voice. Number 9. Crystal wrote a letter. Crystal is the subject of the sentence. Crystal was the one who wrote the letter. Crystal is the doer of the action. Therefore, this sentence is in active voice. Lastly, a letter was written for his parents. A letter is the subject of the sentence. Letter was the one being written for someone's parents. Therefore, letter is the receiver of the action. This sentence is in passive voice. For the second part, you have to transform the sentences to its opposite voice. You will be given 20 seconds to answer each item. Let's check. Number 1. Harry ate 6 shrimps. 6 shrimps were eaten by Harry. Number 2. Pedro and Nina made a hut. A hut was made by Pedro and Nina. Number 3. Water was boiled in a kettle. In this number, you have to provide a name of the doer because there is no by phrase in the given sentence. Blank boiled the water in the kettle. Number 4. Nana is making fruit salad. A fruit salad is being made by Nana. 5. Money was withdrawn from the ATM. Number 5 has a similar case to number 3. There is no by phrase in the passive voice of the sentence, therefore you have to provide it in the active voice. Blank withdrew money from the ATM. Number 6. JB sang a song. A song was sung by JB. Number 7. Ropes were tied around the hot air balloon. Blank tied ropes around the hot air balloon. Number 8. The peaches were peeled by Kevin. Kevin peeled the peaches. Number 9. Crystal wrote a letter. A letter was written by Crystal. Lastly, number 10. A letter was written for his parents. Blank wrote a letter for his parents. You did a really good job in making it this far. I would like to congratulate you for working so hard. After this video, it will be best if you drink some water and do some stretching. I'm sure you worked hard for this. This is Daylight English Hustle, your partner in exploring the wonders of English. See you in my next video.